Hi, today I present to you DataSentience. It's an autonomous data center optimization AI. It's entirely multi-agent, meaning there's multiple agents working together, and it's built off of NVIDIA NIM deployed on SageMaker. So today we'll be seeing how the live telemetry comes in. So this is actually based on generated data, but it's meant to be as close to a real data center as possible, showing you all of the important metrics. So here I will initiate some queries. So with each query, the data gets sent of what data is coming in live as well, right? And I will also be running a demo mode, which is something that requires human in the loop. So you see here that NVIDIA NIM has replied with root cause analysis for what is causing a cost spike. And that includes analysis of all of the key metrics, including power usage, the cooling, electricity consumption, and so on. And it also recommends some next steps. So this is because there's multiple agents working in the background built off of NVIDIA NIM. It's a data retrieval agent, reasoning, and an action planning agent. So here we have AI investigation come back. So I'm running it through a bunch of scenarios, but all of the data goes into NIM and we get back a full analysis. So this is to demonstrate in case of where there's significant cost involved and you might need some human governance in that aspect. So it analyzes the current state of PUE and then demonstrates, okay, what would be the savings with like a future state, right? There's a detailed analysis as well. Obviously, it requires a little bit more cleanup in terms of the data handling, right? But the basic objective is to show what the payback could be and what the annual impact would be as well, right? And these are actions that could be set for review, could be reviewed later, approved, and it will reflect in the business impact, right? So I have this page for human initiated or human in the loop sort of governance that's involved for certain actions that require this sort of intervention. And here I have autonomous actions running. So again, this would be how it would be in like an actual scenario with AI agents working in tandem. And you can see all of that business impact come in as well.